I really hate it when people make fun of other people for liking something cringe. A good example of this is Hellfire Club in Stranger Things. The club is really cool and I love how it's a D&D group, but there are always those people who give it a bad rep, the people who are like huge Eddie stans. Even though some fandoms and shows get bad reputations, BC of these people, it doesn't make everyone else behave that way. And videos that I've seen people making fun of people who enjoy Hellfire and Stranger Things in general make me not want to wear merchandise from that franchise, for fear of being bullied.